windshields with DS Diving. It is September 12th, 2024. We're here at Arcosonti. She was cleaned yesterday and looks excellent. I'm going to show you that the dot meter is spinning. So if it's not working, it's not that the dot meter is not spinning. And even though it's spinning now, by next week with the growth, it might not be spinning. You will need zincs next service, and you do have some blisters on the bottom. I'm going to tap them each 3 times and point them out. Let's take a look. Starting with the zincs and the starboard side. Got 6 blisters on the starboard side, and your dot meter is spinning just fine. If it's not working, then it's not this end, it's probably the other end. It's on a 30-day schedule because by the end of 30 days it will be extremely dirty. It is perfectly clean right now. By next week it will not be perfectly clean. Think of your lawn. When it's cut, it looks beautiful. Next day it's a little taller. Next day it's a little taller. Midweek it doesn't look like it's been cut. By the end of the following week it is really high again. That's exactly what happens with the growth of the boats. But the dot meter is spinning. You do have quite a few blisters on the bottom, and you will need zincs next service. Thank you for choosing DS Diving Service.